Termites can forage under paving and patios and create hidden entry paths that require targeted post-construction treatment right away. When treating post-construction termite activity, under paved areas start by mapping the paved layout and any visible voids or soft spots so you know where to focus work. Drill through pavement joints or grout lines using a rotary hammer and a masonry bit sized for the product manufacturer recommendations, then inject a labeled termiticide into the drilled holes using the supplied injector or a low pressure. Injection pump until the soil beneath is saturated but not pooled on the surface. If drilling is not feasible, trenching around the perimeter of the paved area to expose soil allows you to apply a liquid barrier evenly at the required application rate and to inspect for mud tubes and active galleries. For long-term management, consider installing monitoring and baiting stations at regular intervals around the paved perimeter where the soil is accessible. Baiting helps detect and reduce colony pressure without disturbing finished surfaces. Small problematic sections of paving that are actively breached by termites can be removed and relaid after treatment, so you can directly treat the infested soil and restore a clean barrier. When relaying, use compatible sand or mortar that allows future inspection and targeted re-drilling if needed. Always follow label directions for dilution rates, application volumes per linear foot, personal protective equipment, and environmental precautions to protect people, pets, and plants. Common mistakes include drilling too few holes, which leaves untreated pathways, so drill at regular spacing based on the product directions and keep notes of each treated location. Applying termiticide at too low a volume is another frequent issue because it fails to create a continuous treated zone. Measure and apply the labeled gallons or liters per linear foot and allow absorption time before closing holes. Removing paving without first planning for reinstallation and soil protection can damage the finish and create settlement problems, so mark layout. Store removed units carefully, treat exposed soil immediately, and compact the base before relaying. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors who handle termite interventions under paving and patios and helps contractors find targeted work opportunities in their area. We also host a discussion community where we and members share field tips, treatment experiences, and contractor recommendations.